we haven't seen folks sort of sidestep a creative agency or the need for a creative agency because, in the end, they still need folks to solve their problems and think strategically and understand their business, and create new solutions that haven't been thought of before. And with all the possibility and strengths of AI, I still personally believe that human beings have still a lot more to offer than AI. At J. Schmidt at a creative agency, is to automate things. For instance, repetitive tasks, first
Yeah.
drafts of something, maybe a summarization, organizing materials, information. Of course, we do it with copy as well, and image generation. But it all starts with a very talented human being at the controls.